Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Today I'm with Freya, right here, the wolf. I'm the Arctic wolf, and Cascading River. Woo! In my last video I was basically talking about her and about her new channel, so go subscribe. And Freya doesn't really have a channel, so you know. Yeah. Today we are just going to be talking about the updates. So let me just inform these two. Freya, Cascading River, she hasn't got a Skype. She hasn't got Skype just yet. She's gonna get it soon. So say hi, Freya.
Hi.
There you go. She's here. Okay. I'm gonna be talking about the new updates. Daniel. Okay, so today we are gonna talk about the updates. Okay, so everybody just sit down. Freya, do you want to say that? Because I need to get another chair. Oh, they're bringing back the Egyptian stuff. Yay! Okay. Nice little acorn chair. Freya, do you want to say to Catherine to come sit down?
Okay.
Alright, awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to type everything that I say now.
Oh, it's like at the chair, stupid.
Oh my god.
That was stupid.
And by the way, people in the comment section, do not say this, because she hates it. Okay, so don't make up that nickname for her.
No, just encouraging people to say it now.
No, I'm not. I'm telling you I'm not to. Okay, so
Okay.
whoa. So cascading. God. Yeah. Cascading. What is your favorite update? I can't type. Okay. Freya, what's your favorite update?
I need to. Oh. I don't know.
No. Dude, what's Freya? What's your favorite update?
I
We're all
like
saying
the
wolf.
Snowflake Arctic Wolf.
Yeah, I like that one. I can't wait for them to add in the Canaday.
Yeah,
This one.
I was just up to say the Canaday as well.
I do like the Snowflake Arctic Wolf though. I mean, come on, it's amazing. I'm so happy that they brought out a new update for the Arctic Wolf. It's like, because it's one of the oldest animals, I think. So it's kind of about time that they brought out something new.
And here we have a model of the
Oh no, catwalk. Hey,
No,
catwalk.
Arctic walk. No, Arctic. No, wolf walk. Because it's your wolf, not a cat.
It doesn't matter. Humans have catwalks, don't they? And we're not cats.
True.
Ah. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. I want to talk about the extravaganza. What are you giggling at?
Nothing.
Okay, good. The extravaganza, like, it is for Easter. That was like, wait, when's Easter?
A month ago, it was like
Yeah.
the 16th of April.
Yeah, like, why is there still Easter stuff? And and I just remembered, the Spring Festival is still on as well. Like, what the hell, dude? What's going on? I'm just gonna ask her, like, cascading. So, why do you think the extra? I'm really testing my grammar right now. Extravaganza is still on. I think that makes sense. So why do you think that? Yeah. Okay. I just think that because a lot of people like it and because it's a source of new pets, I think that's why they're keeping it on. What do you think, Freya?
I don't know. I think I agree with you. I'm not really sure, but
Or they're just
yeah.
too lazy to get rid of it.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Who knows?
Also, you can see what we are saying in the video. Because yeah, obviously she doesn't have Skype, and I can't wait for her to get Skype. Come on.
Same.
Waiting for her to download it. I've sent her the link and everything, so through email. This is how we communicate. Through emails. So yeah, Freya, you want to add anything? Or actually, pardon. Maybe any suggestions for like future updates and stuff?
I don't know. I mean, something that they can do, like Animal Jam HQ, and something that's not impossible, but possible. They should do like a Fennec Fox or something. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah. Maybe. Oh no. Maybe like an autumn fox. Wait. Let me. Sorry. I'm just gonna have a look at the animals. Wait.
A red panda!
Yes. Oh my god, that'd be amazing.
So cute. I met them in real life. They're so cute.
Okay, we've already got the bunny. We've already got the snowflake Arctic wolf. Maybe. I want to do something with autumn. Maybe like autumn fox. Maybe. I mean, I'm sorry if people in America and other countries say something else for autumn, but we're all English here, so yeah. Oh, Freya, do you want me to do my special English accent line that I've been doing all day today at school? Okay, guys, you can immediately tell that it's funny from the way she burst out into laughter. So, Freya, do you want me to do it? Oh my god, okay. Okay. Do that posh English line I was doing today. Okay. I could lose all of the 6 subscribers today, so. Oh no, I don't want to do it. Okay, fine. But Freya, if I do, I might not upload it. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know if you've seen this film. I don't know what it is from. My mum always says it. Like, if we're getting in a car to go home or something. Okay. I know Freya will burst out into laughter, and the viewers will probably be like, just get on with it, but it is really embarrassing, so. Ow! I just hit my head. Ow! Help! I'm gonna pause the recording. Sorry about that. We have now calmed down. I had a little practice go, and here it is. You could just see that I went a bit posh then. Home, James, and don't spare the horses. Well, thank you very much for watching. Go subscribe to The Hidden Ice Wolf. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye.